Hello everybody. Well, this is a very testing time for everybody, isn't it? The lockdown, a cloi mawr. It's a time of stress and strain and hardship. So I thought I'd add to it by bringing you a little song about the lockdown in Denbigh. And it goes something like this. Maestro?
No.
What do you mean you won't play it? Well, I've got people.
No.
Ah, Cryd. Chi'n crats mawr. Dach chi'n gwybod hynny? Crats mawr. Slight change in plan, ladies and gentlemen. And now for your viewing and listening pleasure, I shall be playing with myself. 1, 2, 3. Farewell, you non-key workers. May I see you all in June. First Minister has changed the rules. Green fingers open soon. The pubs are all a-closing. The leisure centre's doomed. There's no work down in Peacock's, boys. They're being furloughed too. My dad was born in Denbigh, as his father was before him. And they always said, "Nai, hiya Lyle, hello." Since the social distance came, well, the town's just not the same. So away to watch the Netflix we will go. Farewell, you non-key workers. May I see you all in June. First Minister has changed the rules. Green fingers open soon. The pubs, they are a-closing. The leisure centre's doomed. There's no work down at Peacock's, boys. They're being furloughed too. For now you won't hear singing in the whites from the back car park. No happy house which always took so long. Social distance isn't stopping, and it's so hard to go shopping. So let's hope it won't be round for very long. Farewell, you non-key workers. May I see you all in June. First Minister has changed the rules. Green fingers open soon. The pubs, they are a-closing. The leisure centre's doomed. There's no work down at Peacock's, boys. They're being furloughed too. The Masons and the Brookhouse, the Britannia and the Pigots, Hope and Anchor, the Plough and Golden too. Oh, we can no longer wait while that Boris makes mistakes. So for now I bid farewell to all of you. Farewell, you non-key workers. May I see you all in June. First Minister has changed the rules. Green fingers open soon. The pubs, they are a-closing. The leisure centre's doomed. There's no work down at Peacock's, boys. They're being furloughed too. Diolch yn fawr.